In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Google Chrome if it isn't downloading files. So first go to your Wi-Fi settings in the bottom right hand corner. If you click on the Wi-Fi icon and then click on your Wi-Fi, just make sure that it is connected and secured and your Wi-Fi is working. If it is, go to the three dots in the top right hand corner. Then go all the way to the bottom and find settings. In settings, you need to go to privacy and security. And here you can go ahead and delete any browsing data. So click delete browsing data, and the cache or the cookies or any browsing data may be stopping the download. You can go ahead and delete for the last 7 days. Click delete data and try again. If that still doesn't work, it is probably an extension. So if you go to your extensions in the top right hand corner, the puzzle icon, you can then go to manage extension. You may have an extension which is blocking the download, such as an ad blocker, or it could even be a VPN extension. So if you have any of those toggled on, make sure you just quickly toggle them off and try again. Next, you can try resetting Google Chrome settings. To do this, go to the three dots in the top right, click on settings, and then go to reset settings to their original, and then click reset settings. This will essentially do what we've just done with a couple of extra things. Then finally, the last thing that you can try, if you go to search and type in Windows security, it may be your Windows security blocking the download, so go to virus and threat protection, go to manage settings, and if you're sure and you know what file this is, you can turn off real-time protection, and then again, try the download. One of these should work for you. Let me know which one it is in the comments below.